If you have been using Google in the past 2 years, you probably have realized there is something that looks a bit different. Here, there is a new feature called AI Overview, which is basically an AI feature from Google that gives you answer for whatever question or keyword that you send to Google. While this feature is very useful, this content is often not accurate, and sometimes people prefer to just read content or articles that were created by real people from real website. So in case you want to remove this AI overview from the Google search result, let me show you how you can do that. First, let's go to Google and then search for the keyword Google search labs. That's the keyword that you're looking for. Hit enter and then navigate to labs.google.com. This is the website that you must open. Alright, now scroll down and in the AI experiment section, there is this feature that's right now enabled on my account. Just click open on AI overviews and then you want to disable AI overviews by clicking on this toggle. And there you go. So the feature has been disabled on my account. But remember that there are some people that might have this feature enabled somewhat permanently, which basically kind of difficult to opt out, but for the vast majority of users at the moment, this feature can be disabled. Now, I'm going to use the same keyword again, and you'll see that there is no search labs AI overview answer in this area. I'm going to go to Google again, use the same keyword, and hit enter. And there you go. So there is this answer, but this is coming from this website and there is no summary from AI. And given that this answer is from a website, it's kind of easy to track down to see whether or not the website is accurate or not. While on AI overview, you cannot tell if AI is making a real statement or just hallucination. So that's maybe one benefit of using or not using AI overview on Google. And that's basically how you can disable AI overviews on Google. If you find this video to be useful or if you want to see more AI tutorials in the future, then feel free to subscribe to this channel and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.